Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to convert TRX to USDT on Trust Wallet. So it's really simple. So we have made our BTC to TRX, TRX to BTC in the past videos, and now we're going to do TRX to USDT. So the first thing you'll have to do is press your swap right here, and we have TRX ready, and all we have to do is USDT. So in the bottom we select USDT via Ethereum network. So this will depend on the network. So let's just say you have it in our Ethereum network. So let's look for TRX if it's available right here, and it doesn't look like it is. So if it's not available right here in the networks, unfortunately, you'll have to manually add it so that it will be shown right here. So under Ethereum, it's available in TRX Tron. Then we can convert it into USDT. So 100 TRX is around just shy of $24, and that won't even give you the best since there are network fees in Ethereum which are hella expensive, guys. So remember, when dealing with Ethereum, you must have gas fees of up to $89 and above, depending on the situation of the current market. So right here, when you have 1,000 TRX and you can convert it into USDT simply by pressing the insufficient TRX button balance right here, which would say swap if you have the right amount basically. And there you go, guys. So it's just that simple. So there you go. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.